With 40 years of continuous innovation, HONGKY has developed and introduced a wide range of high-quality mechanical products, meeting the diverse needs of the market. In addition to welding machines, woodworking machines, and electric motors, we have also invested in developing automated production lines for coil steel processing. Among these, the stainless steel slitting line is one of HONGKY's most dedicated projects, researched and developed by a team of Vietnamese engineers under the guidance of a Japanese expert. This production line is manufactured to international standards, ensuring exceptional durability and superior performance. We are honored that Thien and Stainless Steel Company has chosen to order and install the line at their factory. Recently, HONGKY successfully completed the equipment handover, installation, and commissioning of the stainless steel slitting line. Our project team worked diligently to meet the project timeline and quality requirements, delivering satisfaction to our client. As a complex project composed of multiple large machine modules, the slitting line presented challenges in terms of transportation and installation. However, drawing on our practical experience, we developed a detailed plan and conducted thorough site surveys to ensure safe and efficient delivery and setup. To guarantee stable and effective operation upon handover, we implemented a strict inspection process. Every stage, from module inspection and load testing to full-line trial runs, was closely supervised by our engineers and technicians. The success of this project affirms the technical capabilities of the HONGKY team in executing high-precision engineering projects. At HONGKY, we are committed to more than just delivering quality products. We also provide a professional customer experience before, during, and after purchase, supporting our clients from consultation and installation to warranty and repair services. Customer satisfaction is not only a key testament to our work but also the driving force behind our continued development of high-quality products in service of our clients. Please leave your details in the comment section below or contact our hotline on +84 909 073 505 for a detailed consultation.